All right, welcome back everybody. We're gonna give you a room tour of room 14217 here on the Harmony of the Seas. It is a Central Park balcony view. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so again, we are on deck 14, room 217, and this is just one deck below the Lido deck. And when you open the room, the first thing we notice, and again, this is just our second Oasis Class ship, is it's so roomy, and that the bed is all the way over towards the balcony. So when you walk in, you have all this couch area, just kind of this open area, the dresser and all that good stuff. But one of the things right off the bat, put your card in to make the lights and the AC work and all that good stuff. And so we're just gonna take you right in. To our right here is the restroom. We just unpacked and got into our room a few minutes ago. And so here's the shower. It is obviously just a stand-up shower, but instead of the door, whoops, silly me, I haven't even opened it yet, obviously, but instead of the door sliding in or out, it opens up towards the door there. So here I am stepping in the shower. I'm 5'10", kind of plenty of room to move around. Obviously our stuff already unpacked here. The shower itself will slide up and down this ride. It is removable if you prefer that, or it's just right there. They have the Salt and Breeze double duty hair and body wash. It's not my favorite. We bring our own stuff. But when one person's in here, really you have all the room you need to kind of maneuver around and those sort of things. You have 3 shelves right here to put stuff. They have the cups. You have a nice little sink area there, and then you have a shelf below. We've already been to the pool today. And then of course your toilets. We went on the Voyager, which is a much older ship than this one, back for New Year's. This one is much more spacious than the Voyager, so they did improve that, obviously with the different class of ship. And so then next thing I think we're gonna go over is some of like the space, right? Because this cruise does a lot of 6, 7, 8 night tours. And so the first thing we'll open up here, you'll see now for a 6 night, they didn't give us quite enough hangers, one thing for each night or whatever. We're gonna ask for a couple more hangers, see if we can get that. But they did give us most of what we needed. So there's a lot of shelf space down there at the bottom to put shoes and things like that. You have your full couch right here. One thing, this is our first cruise with, and already just being in the room for like an hour, we love it. Is because all the walls and everything are magnetic. We got us a little fan right here attached right next to the AC, so that kind of helps blow the cool air down. And then over here to our left, you'll see everything that's kind of laid out. These are obviously a lot of the things that they're selling here, whether it's beverage package, casino, dining, short excursion, just their retail, and the photo package. If you need to do any sort of laundry or have anything ironed, that's there. You got your status, and then of course, just like I said, everything that they more or less advertise there. And then right over here, I'll just slide this over, are the breakfast menu. Now breakfast room service is free, but you need to put it in your door the night before, what time you want it, your stateroom number, all that stuff. Let me see if I can get to. Ooh, they have them all stacked together for each night. Here's kind of the continental breakfast options for you. I'm just gonna let you look over that. And then of course the American breakfast. And you can even order a morning beverage of a mimosa or a Bloody Mary as well. With the metal walls, you can buy these metal hooks. They're like $5 or 10 on Amazon. But this is how Teresa decided to hang her sunglasses, all her jewelry and things like that. And it really is nice. It kind of just frees up a lot of space on the dresser area. 4 drawers right here, actually 5 in total. We do have the cooler right here. It is not a refrigerator as it says. It'll keep things cool but not cold. We just have a couple waters in there right now, getting cooled down. So you have 5 total drawers here. And then also We're gonna open this up. If you have a need to have a couple more hangers there, you can. There's 2 shelves right there. You have your safe, and then 3 shelves below the safe. And then at the bottom, you have 2 more drawers. So for a 6-night cruise, we were really able to spread out nicely. When you first walk in, you wonder where I'm gonna put everything, but it really worked itself out. The beds can be separated if it's like 2 singles, but we put it together for a king size. And then of course, like I said, it's over at the, it's over towards the balcony. Most of your plugs, number 1, you don't have a USB-C at this moment here, so you just need a regular plug there. You're gonna need to bring a brick, and then the other outlets are all right here. They have a European outlet there. They have a couple regular outlets, 1, 2, 3 to be exact, and a couple traditional USB outlets there as well. So they don't have any USB-C as of yet, so you're gonna need some bricks to change that if you need to. One thing about it, there is no USB or USB-C, even an outlet on this side. So really they only have it on one side of the bed. And then probably the last part, here's the last part you're probably wondering about is the balcony. And Therese is just hanging out there right now. She has no idea what I'm doing. We're gonna open that up, and warning, we are 1 deck below the leader deck, so it is quite loud when I open the door, because we're doing this as probably the sail away is about ready to take place. And one thing I am impressed with is the size of the balcony here. Like, it's extremely nice as far as the size. We have 2 chairs. We have plenty of room. You have the glass kind of open balcony there, and a table. We are right up against the wall. Positive side of that is we are about as midship as it gets. But as you look out over our balcony, here's kind of what you get to see, which fortunately for us today is a lot of blue sky. And then of course there's a pool there. There's a pool overhead right here, and you get the slides back there. And then down below is a central park. With these central park view balconies, or whether boardwalk view balcony, just an interior balcony in general, is that if you can see out, like you can walk out on your balcony and you can see, like right now I can see a guy in that balcony straight across from us or in his room moving around. So just remember, like if you can see them, Trevor's smiling, they can see you. So that's the one thing in particular about this room that is a big downside in general, is that when you step out of your shower right there, the people that are across, if your door's open or if your door is, even if it's closed but the curtains are open, they can see. So anyway, that's gonna about do it for the room tour. So anyway, if you enjoyed the tour, if you have any questions about the room, don't hesitate to reach out. Let us know in the comments below. We'll always do what we can to help you out. All right, y'all have a great time. Thank you. Bye-bye.